Hello, fellow dividend investors. Happy Thursday. Today we are down, dun dun dun, but that's okay. We're still above the 17K mark, just barely though, about $4 over, but that's okay. Fluctuation's part of the game, nothing to worry about. Let's take a look at let's take a look at how the portfolio is doing. So today we're down $70 or 0.41%. For the week we're still up 132 or 0.79%. For the month we're up 480 or 2.91%. For the 3 month mark, we're still in the double digits. We're up almost $2,400 at 16.3%. For the year, we're still up over almost $3,000. We're at $2,700 at 19%. And all time, we're up over $2,400 or 16.7%. So long term, we're fine. In the short term, we are having a little bit of a hiccup, but that's okay. Nothing to be too worried about. So let's take a quick look and see who exactly is weighing the portfolio down. Let's go through the stocks real quick. Altria Group, they are up $539, so it's not them. Coca-Cola is at $53, not them. Tea is up $481, so it's not them. AbbVie's still up over $1,000, so it's definitely not them. SKT is only down 0.15, so probably not them. WBA is up $312, so it's not them. Then we have ExxonMobil down $121. That's what's doing it right there. That's more than they've been down. They're down 54 cents. Yeah, so that's probably it. So $121 down. That's what it is right there. Unless Target is down, which no, Target's not. So really, it's just ExxonMobil weighing the portfolio down. Even SKT, the newest stock, isn't down by much. And I believe I am down. Yep, I'm down 10 cents. I'm down 30 cents on that one. So, not a big deal. Again, nothing to worry about. We're still at about 17K, so I'll just make that the title. But, yeah, guys, so fluctuation is part of the game. Nothing to really worry about. I'm sure we'll be up tomorrow. Happy with the portfolio and the growth. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry, I know that was a quick update. But there's not much going on. I'm down, so just trying to show you what's down and, really trying to hold and stay positive even through market volatility. These are the times right here in this video where a lot of investors would sell out, right? So my portfolio's down in one position or whatever. It was up, 17 above $1,700 a bit, and now it's like just kind of staggered at $1,700. Not a huge deal. Some people would sell out. Some people would sell out of that ExxonMobil position and put it into something else. I'm not going to do that. I don't want to lose $120. So I'm going to be stubborn. I'm going to hold, and I'm going to keep breaking in those dividends. So that's really the name of the game, guys. I'm holding these companies. They have a long dividend growth history, and so I'm up for the volatility. If there is market fluctuation, then that gives me an opportunity to buy. So not worried about it. So thank you guys so much for watching. We hit 17K. We're kind of staggering around that, but that's all right. Remember to hit the subscribe button, and when you do, hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of that Dividend Guy Robinhood updates. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, hit the subscribe button, and we're still above 17K, so not much to cry about. I'll be updating you again with another dividend video tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and take care.